Let's take a look at these IKEA storage boxes. These are cardboard storage boxes. That's how it looks. That's the name. The lid comes pre-built. You have to make the box yourself. Those are the measurements. Costs around 149 rupees or $2 or so. It's quite long. On the back you have the paper to make the box. So let's open and see it. These are the instructions. It has numbers, so it's easier to fold. That's your box. That's the lid. It's quite sturdy. It's also made with quite thick cardboard. Because this is cardboard, you can easily recycle it. Very nice storage solution. Looks good too. Quite nice. Check it out.